Okay, so here's one or two more tools, just kind of a quick overview of them so you can use them for the homework. So as you're starting to define your shapes, and because I want your objects to start looking like they're made out of one object instead of a bunch of primitives just overlapping, we need to learn how to make, I'm going to duplicate that real quick, learn how to connect things that are separate. So let's say these are two separate objects, and what I want to do is connect like a bar between them. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add a few edge loops. And I'm not going to be super precise about this. I'm just going to add a couple there, and a couple there, and a couple there, and a couple there. Whoops, there we go. So I want to add a bar between them. In order for them to actually connect, they need to be the same object. So I'm going to select both, and I'm going to go to Mesh and Combine. Okay, so now they are one object. Now what I can do is I can delete these faces, and there's a new tool, it's called Bridge, and what it does is allows you to connect two edges. So I'm going to select this edge over here, and then I'm going to select this edge over here, shift right click, and Bridge. When I do that, it'll just add one face. You can add multiple divisions if you need to, and you've got a few other options. You can also select both edge loops and do it all at once. Okay? And now you've done all of them at once. So that could be particularly useful for something like maybe a chair back. Lastly, if you decide you don't want that and you just need to get that face back in the cube, you can double click the edge, shift right click, and fill the hole in, and now you've got that face right back there.